So basically we can start with fault codes. It will give you a freeze frame or status of the fault code. You have help and component. It's going to explain to you possible causes and effects. CB15 is the part we're looking for that can cause this fault code to happen. Information is going to give you system components and measurements, which you can also view on a diagram, that specific part to find it. You'll find its pinouts, locations, everything, so you don't have to randomly guess where it's located and how to find it. CB15 is right here. This is the main ECU, which you can also click, check, find pinouts, everything explained. Okay. Monitoring, you can watch live data selections of the sensors that are connected to the engine, so 122. You can select which ones you want to see, and you can view them live on a diagram, how they react and perform while the machine is running. Going back, you can use system displays as well, where you follow the fuel system overlay. You can do fault code troubleshooting, which will allow you to go step-by-step approach to find the fault code, clear it and clear it properly so it does not reoccur in 5 days when the mechanic goes out of the shop. Check 1. If it did not solve the failure, we can move to the next step. Step 2, disconnect the components. Go to step 3. Step 3, check the wiring and connections. We have configurations depending on the model, system components, and if that solved the problem, we can finalize it and clear the fault codes. You can do parameters, read and modify of the VIN and injector coding, read, modify, copy to PCU and copy to ECU, basically allowing you to modify the injectors as you please, or using your own. Here's the explanation of what you need to do, and here's how you can modify them. You enter the value, initial conditions, and here's where you can set it. There it is. Other than that, you do have maintenance, filter regen, forced, slow, automatic regeneration, filter reset. All of it is covered. Just a step. Initial conditions, some explanation. The engine must be stopped, and the automatic performing of the test. In my case, it finished fast because it's a demo kit. Let's go to forced regen. Here's a full explanation of what it's about to happen. And it's currently going through it. Let's let it run. Process is finished, and here's the full overview of what happened.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us at 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.